Hello everyone, today we are seeing a new thing, that is forced conversion in R. So in the last session you have seen we have done various kind of variable, that is various type of objects that are used in R. So we have seen character, we have seen logical, numeric, integer, number, all the things. Along with that we have seen the priority. So 5 different type of objects we have discussed in the last session, and we have also seen there are priority that has been given to these particular 5 different type of objects. The top priority is given to the character thing, second has been given to the complex, the third has been given to, that is numbers, and fourth has been given to integers, and the last priority, that is fifth priority, is given towards that logical thing. So if we want to convert one data type, or you can say one object, into another in case of R, how can we do that? So for example, I am using a new series that is known as Z, and I'm defining a variable known as Z, and I'm using an integer. As you already know that if we are using a range operator, then it is nothing but an integer. So you can see Z where it is. So somewhere here it has been defined Z, it is an integer. It consists of 7 values, 0 to 6 plus 1, 6 minus 0, that is 6, plus 1, that is 7 values are there. And you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values are there. And if you want to convert that particular thing into another variable, or you can say z1 is there, and I want to convert that numeric thing, not numeric, integer thing into numeric. So here it is an integer z, and I want to convert that into a numeric. So the keyword is as dot numeric. Automatically it is giving me the suggestion, and z is there. So the value has been given to z1, or allocated towards z1, and it has been converted towards num. So you can see the same values are there, and the question may arise in your mind, can we convert, or the force convert, to be precise, into, you can say, character? Yes, we can do that. Just you have to simply put quotes in that case. So what I am converting, for example, I am converting z into z2. So in this case it has been converted into character. Or you can also do for the numeric thing. For example, z1 was the numeric thing, and I am converting it into, again, character thing. So it has been converted. So these three major conversions are there. So you can check whether we can convert z into complex thing. All the combination you can check, so whether it is available or not. So I'm just checking complex, so whether it is working or not. So it has been converted into complex, just it has changed 0 plus 0 iota, 1 plus 0 iota, all the things are there. Another thing that you can see, whether this particular thing can be converted into character, has been, the top one has been done, the second one, that is numeric, has been done, the second complex has been done, third numeric has been done, integer it was already there, and last is logical. So can we see dot logical thing? Can we convert an integer, that is the range operator we have used from 0 to 6, into a logical thing? Yes, we can see that. In this case, if I'm just typing z3, or we can print z3, then you can say that if 0 is there, then it is printing false, then rest of the values are represented by true. So these kind of things we can see. One thing you have to keep in mind, that if you want to generate a figure, then here it will comes in the form of plot. Another thing that you have to keep in mind, that if R cannot figure out how to convert an object, it will generate an NA. For example, if I am writing another variable known as, for example, W. So here I am using a vector, and vector consists of similar kind of data. So here I am writing Ashish, another variable, not variable, that value in the form of character, that is Katyal. Along with that, I am using another thing that is known as data science. So data science is there. This is a variable which is nothing but a character type. So if you want to convert a string or the character into numeric, will it be possible in case of R? So I'm just typing it there. So it will generate a warning along with that thing which I have told you, that if R cannot figure out how to convert an object, then it will generate an NA, that is not applicable. So in this case, Ashish Here it has not been converted into numeric, so it is generating NA. Second, Katyal is also a character type, so it is not converting into numeric, and the same thing applicable towards this data science thing, which is nothing but a character thing, and it has not been converted into numeric, and a warning message has been generated, that is NA is introduced by this particular R. Correction. So one more thing we can see, for example, can we convert that the character thing which is available in case of W into logical, so whether something is present or not, because in the earlier time it has been shown 0 was considered as false. Will it be applicable towards this Z thing? Yes, it was there, but can we do for the same in case of string which has been generated by us, that is Ashish Katyal data science? So in this case you can see it is not applicable. Here warning has not been generated, but still you can see. So can we see for the complex thing, can we convert the type that is character into complex? Again, which is showing me the warning message along with the anything. So three different types of character we have seen, and we have seen that there is no conversion that is possible from character towards these kind of numeric, logical and complex things. So thank you so much. In the next session we will see how we can define a matrix and how can we do various operations in that particular case. Thank you so much.